To be able to use any CapCut Pro feature, we just download any CapCut version and then we go here to settings, and then we're gonna choose a file to save our projects in. For example, I'm gonna choose documents and we press save. Then we create a new project and I'm gonna import some media. I'm gonna use them here, and then what we're gonna do is just select some pro features like this. We can choose any one. Put it here. Any pro effect, for example, spin and shake. And here we go. We're gonna try to export this project. If you export it now, I cannot export it because I do not have the pro version. Back to edit, and then what we're gonna do is select all, right click, create compound clip, and then another right click and pre-process compound clip. And it's processing here, and now it's almost done. Then what we're gonna do is just remember the name of the project 0707. We close CapCut and we go to files. Then we choose documents and we're gonna find this file, CapCut drafts. We click on it. We find our project 0707. We click on it. Resources, combination, and here we find our project. It's with all CapCut Pro features, and like that, you can work with any CapCut Pro feature. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe for more.